Well, around the world there is a realisation that digitalisation of the rail industry is essential. The ARA board has taken that and is driving iTrace as a building block as part of achieving digitalisation. The ARA board is backing the implementation of iTrace right across the industry. We're encouraging widespread adoption by governments, operators, suppliers, manufacturers and contractors.
Sydney Trains has started on the digital journey. We've just introduced an SAP asset management system, which we're very proud of. iTrace is the icing on the cake, which really then allows us to trace every component from when it's been manufactured all the way through to installation and to the whole of life performance of that asset. And iTrace is a vital part of this digital railway. My message to all those involved in the rail industry, whether you're a small supplier all the way through to us as a big maintainer, is get on board with iTrace.
iTrace does provide a perfect opportunity to standardise the collection of data for a lot of the components that are used on our railway systems. We don't want to make the mistakes of the past in terms of standardisation across the Australian network. Getting on board with this project is a small step to continuing to improve the performance of rail, to standardise our approach to managing our assets, tracing our components with the aim of getting lower costs for our customers and better services. So get on board.
iTrace will give us better asset information and will allow us to go faster to where we want to go, which is about predictive maintenance, maintaining our assets and renewing our assets before they fail. The good thing about iTrace is that it will enable us to build a really solid foundation. We can work with our supply chain partners to properly identify each of our individual assets, so we can use that information to monitor the performance of those assets through their life cycle. We can make sure that we have assets always available. We're now implementing iTrace at Metro Trains Melbourne. So for us, it's working collaboratively with our supply chain to make sure that we have the right assets at the right place, the right time.
What this does is build a capability built on the back of an international standard GS1. We've got a number of major inventory stores and then a number of satellite stores. So this has been rolled out across each of those assets in our networks. It gives us more efficient processes, more efficient outcomes, but importantly, stronger asset management. Between operators, suppliers and those in the construction industry, we can get the benefits and we should support it.
As with other industries, the first step is always to uniquely identify and then mark and tag all the items within the supply chain. Project iTrace offers the framework to achieve this for the rail industry. As a not-for-profit global membership-based organisation, we are very proud to provide the global data standards for the industry's initiative. For 40 years we've been helping industry to realise their digital ambition through the use of global data standards. We're very proud to be in partnership with the rail industry. We look forward to the industry realising these benefits through the implementation of Project iTrace.
As a member of the ARA board, I implore all representatives from the rail industry to jump on board with iTrace to achieve an amazing outcome for our industry.